Sending your new YouTube videos to friends and family can feel like a great way to get support. But did you know it might actually hurt your channel's growth? Let's break it down so you can share your content wisely and help your videos reach the right audience. If your friends or family click your video out of kindness, but don't watch it all the way through, it can hurt your average watch time. And for YouTube's algorithm, that's a big red flag. It might think your content isn't engaging, and that could stop your video from being recommended to more people. Here's another thing. If your friends and family aren't part of your target audience, their interactions can confuse the algorithm. Let's say your channel is all about gaming, but your mom mostly watches cooking videos. If she clicks and doesn't engage deeply, YouTube might start suggesting your content to viewers who aren't actually interested in your niche. An early spike in views can feel like a win, but if it's from people who won't consistently watch your content, that momentum might fizzle out. When views and engagement drop, YouTube may stop recommending your video, and it could get buried in search results. Misleading data can also be a problem. If your friends leave quick likes and generic comments, it might not give you the true insights you need to improve your content. YouTube values meaningful interactions, like longer watch times, shares, and thoughtful comments, over surface-level engagement. So, should you never share your videos with loved ones? Not at all. Here's how to do it without accidentally sabotaging your growth. Encourage full views. Ask them to watch the entire video, not just click and leave. Targeted sharing. Tell them to share it with people who are genuinely interested in your niche. Meaningful engagement. Let them know that thoughtful comments or even watching on repeat can boost your video's performance. The bottom line? Friends and family can support your channel, as long as they engage in ways that help the algorithm understand your content's value. So share wisely, create content that resonates with your audience, and keep building your channel the smart way. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Have you noticed a difference when friends or family watch your videos? I'd love to hear your experience.